Alrighty, Terry, here's your 363 small block Ford. Gear description. It's a combination. It's got a set of AFR heads on it. Got some grind solid roller. Got a sub oil pan. Got the March kit on it. Make sure your alternator charges. Obviously, we got your tunnel ram you sent in. Come on. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,900, 413 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 452, peak horsepower 501. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. We'll take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.